Hey guys, Accountability Angel here outside of the LaSalle County Sheriff's Department and the criminal courthouse in Ottawa, Illinois. Jacob just completed his sentencing hearing with Judge Ryan. This is August 4th, 2022. His hearing was at 1 p.m. and the state asked for him to have $686 in fine. 2 years of conditional discharge. They wanted him trespassed from this entire property of 707 East Etna Road, which includes, the tax office, the sheriff's department, county board meetings, all that stuff. They wanted him trespassed from there unless he had courts, and 60 days in jail for a battery charge, regular battery, and for obstructing a peace officer. But what the judge ended up giving him, he is receiving 3 weekends in the LaSalle County Jail right over there where they have those trespassing signs in front of the handicap ramp. So legally, the handicapped persons or anybody using them would have to be forced to trespass to even go inside. So, and also the judge did allow for one of those weekends to not be on 9/11 because my brother has done Toots for Troops. This will be the 12th year, so he skips that weekend. He also has 2 years of conditional discharge, which my brother originally agreed to, and he has to pay the fine. I don't remember if I just said that, but pay the fine, and he has to do an anger management assessment to see what they think about that. So, yeah. With that being said, this should never happen when people are trying to file officer misconduct complaints, but although that is the case, I do feel with the conviction itself that it's a fairly fair sentence from the judge. Although it should have never been a conviction, and I firmly believe that the only reason he was not able to get the other charges dropped or found as not guilty is because he defended himself in the courtroom and didn't know what he was doing beyond what he's learned against veteran lawyers. That's why they pulled Leela off the case and put Jason Good on the case literally the day of jury selection. So he went all that time, and they said, it's because she was railed at the other hearing. So, but it's hard to sit there and prove a case that isn't true, I guess. But then again, justice has not prevailed at this point because my brother now has to do 3 weekends in the county jail for literally trying to help turn in officer misconduct. But yeah, and also kudos to the judge because he called it out in the courtroom that no, he's not getting trespassed from here. He has reasons to be here, and that it's a public building. He has every right to be here. So with that being said, could have went worse, could have went better. I testified, his boss testified, his wife testified because he was married a couple weeks ago. He had a couple friends testified, he had numerous letters. Because all in all, my brother's a good guy, and either way, he didn't do what he was accused of and convicted of, sadly. But there's a reason that the only charges that stuck are the ones that were added literally like December 28th, so I don't know, 9-10 months later. Anywho, I'm a sweat rag right now, so I just want to give you guys a quick update. Good birthday present for me. My birthday was yesterday. I did, of course, to write my bullet points down because I brought my pocket-sized Constitution. Can't beat that. Alright guys, well, Justice Jake did make him apologize to Tom Collins for flipping the bird when he got that contempt. And they ended up dropping the whole contempt thing. But my brother, he didn't directly apologize to Tom. I think he's like, I'm sorry you were put in that position or something like that. But anyway, yeah. What can he do? So that's all we have for today. We'll keep you guys updated. My next court date is in September. So that's what we got. Bye.